stop, 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 stop. Jesus, dude.
He has no brakes either. It's so hard to hold on to that thing, too. His throat is so tight, it's so hard to keep him from dying. Oh, he's about to hit this curb over here. Watch out for the curb! He said his system will be 1 scream for faster, 2 for unthrottle.
He's doing pretty good.
I'm going to see him come swinging out wide here in a second. What's the bell, hey? Dude, I can't
Oh,
do that.
yeah. Oh, man. Mike, how fast are you going, dude?
Hey, Randall, if you hit the brakes, you would slide to your right a little bit so I can see my side.
Mike, how fast are you going, dude?
20?
Jesus Christ. If he hits like an edge, he's going to die.
Be fine.
Yeah.
Be fine.
So tell us again, ma'am, how your son died? Well, you see. Funny story.
The boys, they had a time one night. See a little bit of it. I can't see it.
I got all of them, dude.
I can see his tail.
I'm watching him.
It's hilarious if all of a sudden he gets rolled off. Uh-oh.
That would not be hilarious. There's no way he can stop.
No, that thing's got so much friction behind it. Hang on, Andrew. You okay?
He's like, yes! Mike. If you get this thing over 25 miles an hour, there's a good chance life will end.
I think I'll call my creation the Mach 1.
The Mach 1.
My hands are so cold.
Call it a supersonic. Super sweat. Dude, you do not want to do that. He's good, dude.
Should run him up on the bill. I thought about doing that. We could probably handle that. He's way outside there. This is awesome.
Dude, he's doing pretty good.
Andrew goes, that's the only reason you invited me. It's probably the first one to ride that thing. I was like, no, not at all. I really wanted to hit with this bale to aid.